mg, talking, L, length of the rod is L, mass is m. So this is rotating, forming a conical pendulum. So rotating like this. Okay. So for equilibrium, you have to balance the torque exerted by mg about the point of suspension with the torque exerted by centrifugal force. Okay, so we will consider the torque exerted. Suppose this point is O. So for equilibrium during rotation, torque of mg about point of suspension O equal to torque of centrifugal force acting on the rod. Okay. So torque of mg about O, mg into perpendicular distance is, this is theta, this angle is theta, so L by 2 sin theta. mg into L by 2 sin theta, torque of centrifugal force acting on the rod. For this, consider an element at a distance of x, consider an element of mass dm and its length is dx. It is rotating in a circle. It is rotating in a circle of radius x sin theta. Okay. So this element is rotating in a circle of x sin theta. So on this element, centrifugal force that will act dm into omega square into x sin theta. This is the centrifugal force. So its torque about the point of suspension, that will be d tau. D tau equal to dm into omega square into x sin theta into what is the perpendicular distance? X cos theta. X cos theta is the perpendicular distance. Okay, x cos theta. So torque equal to integration dm omega square x square sin theta cos theta. বুঝতে পারলে? সুমন বুঝছো? dm into m omega square r. For this element, the radius of the circle is x sin theta. So centrifugal force acting on this dm omega square x sin theta. This is the force, and about this point it is rotating. So perpendicular distance is this much. Okay. So perpendicular distance is x cos theta. X cos theta is the perpendicular distance. So total torque acting on this integration. So limit of x. dm equal to first m by l. This is mass per unit length multiplied by the length of this element. Length of the element is dx into omega square into x square sin theta cos theta equal to m constant, omega square constant, sin theta cos theta constant by L integration x square dx limit of x 0 to L equal to m omega square sin theta cos theta by L into L cube by 3 equal to hence mg L, hence mgl sin theta by 2 equal to m omega square sin theta cos theta L square by 3 or theta na. Angular speed is not given.
With omega square.
So theta cos theta equal to
3g by
2 L. If you draw the free body diagram, of one element, then on this element, centrifugal force, weight, and the forces exerted by the neighboring element, which is not known to us, whose direction is also not known to us. So when you calculate the torque, when you calculate the equilibrium of this element, then the torque of this force has to be considered. But when you consider the whole body, then when you draw the free body diagram of the whole body, then there will be a force which is not known to you. This force is also not known to you, but fortunately you are calculating the torque about this point, so this force will not count, as its torque will be 0. Okay, because this force is acting right at the point of suspension and you are taking the torque about the point of suspension. Okay, so this force does not appear in the equation. But if you consider a small element, then this force will appear, because you are not taking torque about this point, you are taking torque about this point. So torque of this force has to be considered.